Love the snow. When I was a kid growing up in Bay Ridge, I made a lot of money in this weather. Shoveling snow. Just imagine being 11, 12 years old, making $500, $600 every time it snowed. It's great. And it builds character. Showed that you weren't afraid to make some money the hard way. I figured I'd get a jump on it because it's coming down pretty hard. So the higher it gets, the more trouble will be later. I still gotta clean my car off. Look at this. It's great. Look at this. It's the house. See later on how beautiful it's gonna look with the lights on. Shit, I left my car window open. Okay, let me stop. I gotta close my window. This is great. Look at this. Love it. My neighbor got his plow on. This is great. Morning, John. Morning. I left my window open. No problem. I gave it a quick, just because it's still coming down, I figured get a little bit off, because it gets too high, then it'll be even worse, especially if it freezes.
When they come and plow, they put a big pile in.
Yeah, right in front. Hey, it's not too bad here in Brooklyn. They plow your car in, you wouldn't be able to get out for days.
There, right?
Especially when it was frozen. A lot of fun. This ain't bad. I love it. Brings back a lot of memories when I was a kid. Made a lot of money in Bay Ridge. I had my customers. 11, 12 years old. I was making $500, $600 every time it snowed. A lot of memories. Let me close my window.